good, YouTube? This shit works miracles, man. The dogs got into a bad fight last week, and Milo is not friendly at all. Look at that. So, right there, right there, right there. Man, and a big old hole right there. So I'm just spray Milo with this stuff. And this stuff will promote the scab to come, and then his face will be back to normal.
You're not getting his eyeball?
No, I'm not. I'm getting this lower cheek.
And all of them are producing like yellow gunk. You think it's because of the heat?
Yeah, they need more water, man.
Okay.
Right, yo. They go to the field and they go all the way downhill. And we got all the way back there too, man. Clear, the water is. Bae, you can literally see the bottom of the tortoise water. Love to see it. She came out to get some fresh water. Go right in for a dip. Oh yeah. The dog's eating big bowl of food and one egg. Alright, look at this, y'all. So we done found a lot of garbage, but this is bad. Kane was over there. And I'm glad he didn't step on it or eat it, but man. These people, they was doing all type of drugs in this bitch. Kane, come on, come here. Come here. Come on. He is slow. Oh my gosh.
Now he don't want to come.
Come on, boy. He said, y'all gonna leave me here where I'm coming from. Come here. Good boy. Come here. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's because he's black. He's trying to get that shit out him.
Nah.
Or he just playing?
Yeah, he just rolling around.
Damn. His leg. Kilo got his leg yesterday. Yo, these
dogs be fighting.
Yesterday
Yeah, they got this bitch busting. I ain't gonna lie.
Day.
Killer, he only got one injury. Milo bit his paw.
That's why he's holding it up.
Yeah.
If you go see Milo, he done tore Milo's head up.
Let me see your marks. So, yeah. Look at that. Look at her. Where them hats at? In the car? Van? I'm gonna put them on. Yeah, I got the dreads up today. Oh, shit. Got the KWR shirt. Let me know if y'all might want some of those. But we ain't ate yet. My mom was supposed to be bringing food, so I can't work. Gotta wait. I'm getting dark as hell out here though. We got Kane right here. Killer is right there, and Milo's up front. The emus back there, the tortoises are back there. And then we got the rest of the reptiles in the shed for now. I really want to complete the turtle pond today and the snapper turtle pond today. We don't have no fencing though, so we're gonna have to watch the snapper. Might have to put her in that big tub back there for now. That's cool too, she been in there. Yeah, probably should just do that. That's easy shit. But yeah, Kane. Y'all know Kane is bad as hell. He just sitting right here eating grass. Kane, look. Let me see if I can pull this hole out of this bush. It's pretty cool. I don't know what the hell these are, but Killer likes it too. I got the hose over there, so I'm gonna start filling that up. And remember, this whole thing is gonna be shaded, and I'm thinking about shading this too. Not sure though. Maybe just like half of it. Check on my emus. I'm gonna take that food out and water out the sun. It's hot as shit, ain't it, boy? Damn, stinky leg. I'm sorry. Look at the nice clear water we got from our well. We gonna pay a water bill. That's amazing. But this is just for now. I'm gonna put that shade up. And man, I'm just doing light work. Look at her. Can y'all see her? This water's cold too. I love it. It stays cold. Then we got Phillip, a female red ear slider, and the female yellow belly Gus. I mean, fuck. Alrighty, time to put a lock on this bitch. Oops. Alright, I already done a lot, but I'm gonna set up the tripod. I thought I smelled that stuff. Yep. Yeah, look at her fine ass. We finna go, like me and y'all, finna go work on the emu greenhouse slash turtle tortoise enclosure. Let's see. Here's the tripod. So much stuff, so much space. So happy that I got Bubba back. Still sad about my turtles. Alright, I already did that side. I'm gonna set this side up and do those two corners. And then alright, man, we just got 10 more pieces of wood. I got one right here. I'm gonna show y'all how we do this. Alright, I'm gonna make sure this is even first. But I just bought these roof pieces over here. I tried to find the best ones. Alright, now I gotta do another one over there and connect them. Let's get it. Yeah, after I do 2 holes. Alright, man, I got all the wood set up. Time to put this shit together. I was just scared of Nisa. I did a proud yell. She came running. I ain't done yet. Oh, my bad, baby.
You done here with you think?
No.
No?
No.
Not yet?
Okay, yeah, I guess.
What? You told me 2
I just wanted to put the roof up.
Oh, what's the roof?
The metal thing.
Oh, you just put it over it?
Yep. You got gloves? Where your gloves at? All right, y'all, last part. Last 2 parts. You gotta put the roof on and screw it down. These are little baby birds, y'all. Look at them. Look at these birds thinking they finna get some food. So, I'm gonna wait for the birds to get older before we take the nest down. I ain't gonna be like that. At least a few days ago, actually, we were gonna take the nest down. I was like, let's wait. Man, it's a good thing we did. I don't wanna kill the little baby birds. But I was telling them I want to kill the little baby birds, so we're gonna wait till they get bigger. Look at her face. She's like, no, nigga.
The birds literally, the mama and daddy's poop like.
I showed them. Just had her head peeked up. That was cool. And then Philip. Oh, what's up, girl?
I can't believe they took my. Yeah, because that's tall enough, right?
Yeah.
It's okay if it's slanted.
What? Oh, shit, yeah. I'm gonna go back and help her. Got it? Oh, yeah. For what? The van? Oh, yeah. It ain't.
Okay. But we probably should add it a different way
Then this.
than having it. Like, that's perfect.
Yeah.
But, like,
Alright, what y'all think? Anissa don't like the overhang, but shit, let me know.
don't be throwing me under the bus, ho.
You don't like it?
No, I didn't say I don't like it.
You said you don't like it.
I like it. It's a great plan. I just think he should have shaved the sides off. But it looks perfectly fine. I didn't say it was ugly. I just said he should have shaved. Let me show you with my finger. Look at my finger. The dogs was fighting. I had to stop them.
What y'all think, man? Let me know down in the comment section. And I'm gonna come show y'all everything after we hook the hose up.
Yeah, so I think he should cut pink and then cut the pink and then cut the pink and then cut the pink. So it could be a perfect square. But that's just me. You gonna put the wood back?
Yeah.
After we're done doing it?
Yeah.
Okay, call me. I'm gonna go use my phone.
Alright, now I'm gonna start digging for a little bit. He coming?
Yeah, it's sitting right there. Oh no, I'm sorry, scared.
You scared him?
No, it's right there. What I did, she went, it's okay. It's okay, come here.
She trying to get our cat to come to us. I keep calling it our cat. I'm pretty sure the people.
Albert. Come here, Albert.
Albert?
Yeah, this is funny.
That's what I called it earlier? I guess I named it Albert. The people on the before probably left it because he's been coming around, but he's scared of the dog. And I think Stanley beat his ass because he came out of the he came out of the animal thing limping, so and he wasn't limping earlier, so I'm pretty sure either Stanky Leg or Stanley, one of the emus, beat his ass. I'm gonna go check on the birds. I'm pretty sure they're fine though. Stanley defends himself against Kane, so well they play. Look at this. Oh shit, Stanky Leg. Stanley. Stanley. What's up, dude? Come here. Come here. Oh yeah. Who's a big boy? Alright. And here's the progress on the hole that I dug. The pond. Let me show y'all how deep this is. Oh. Y'all see that, man. Y'all probably can't see it because it's dark as hell. But that shit's deep. And it's almost done. I just gotta do from all of this. So we're gonna wake up early and knock it out. And hopefully we can move the big snapper in here. All types of cool wildlife on the new property. Uh-oh, that's a roach. Oh, kill it. Oh, y'all gotta go. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. I'm telling y'all, the people before us were disgusting. They were hoarders, crackheads, all of that. But come on, Toad. You can live. You are beautiful. You're beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh shit, don't do it, baby. Now. Look at that. Look like a Pac-Man frog. But it's not. Enrique, Esteban, and Pablo. We got these niggas in the AC while we left. We had to lock them up. We don't trust people. These some exotic pits. Shut up, bitch. This is my lemonade. Give it to me, man. Ain't nobody tell you to drink my shit. You got the exotic pits in this bitch. All white with the blue eyes. Fuck you talking about. Then we got the tiger stripe. I'm going y'all ain't got nothing like that. Yeah. And then we got the, oh my God, what is that? What is that? You ain't never seen a dog like this. Come on, up we go, up we go, up we go. Good boy.